From escaping rip currents to handling snake bites, from navigating through a lightning storm to performing self-Heimlich maneuvers, we've got it all covered. So, grab a pen, take some notes, and prepare to be amazed as we unlock the secrets to staying safe in the face of danger. Are you ready to enhance your survival skills? Let's get started. Number 1. Top of the list, we have an important fact. If you ever find yourself caught in a rip current, here's a valuable tip. Don't panic and don't try to swim against it. Instead, swim parallel to the shore until you're out of the current, then make your way back to safety. Number 2. Now, picture this scenario: you've been in a car accident and the airbags deploy. It's a nerve-wracking moment, but here's something you might not know. Avoid touching your face. Why? Well, the airbag dust can contain harmful chemicals that can irritate your eyes and lungs. Number 3. The slithering fear of encountering a snake. If you're ever bitten, remember this: I repeat, do not try to suck out the venom. That's just a Hollywood myth. Instead, seek immediate medical attention. Time is of the essence. Number 4. Thunder rolls, lightning strikes. If you're caught in a lightning storm, here's a golden nugget of wisdom: never seek shelter under a tree. Why? Because lightning loves tall objects, and that tree might just attract a lightning bolt. Find a low-lying area and crouch down for safety. Number 5. In dire situations where you need to signal for help, here's a fact that could be a lifesaver. 3 consecutive blasts or flashes, whether it's whistle blows, light flashes, or horn blasts, form a universal distress signal recognized worldwide. It's a powerful way to communicate your need for assistance. Number 6. Survival situations call for prioritizing needs. That's where the rule of threes comes in. Humans can generally survive approximately 3 minutes without air, 3 hours without shelter in extreme weather conditions, 3 days without water, and 3 weeks without food. It's a vital guideline to keep in mind when the clock is ticking. Number 7. Imagine choking all by yourself. It's a scary thought, but don't worry, I've got a life-saving tip for you. If you're alone and choking, you can perform the Heimlich maneuver on yourself using a sturdy surface like the back of a chair or a countertop. Remember, forceful abdominal pressure is the key to dislodging that obstruction and getting a breath of fresh air. Number 8. When it comes to finding water in survival situations, here's a clever trick called the plankton rule. Nature holds the secret. Look for areas teeming with abundant plant and animal life. They require a nearby water source, so following the ecosystem can often lead you to a life-sustaining drink. Number 9. Okay, folks, time to debunk a common myth. Sucking on ice or snow might seem like a great idea to quench your thirst, but here's the truth: it's not reliable for hydration. In fact, it can lower your body temperature and lead to further dehydration. The better option? Melt that ice or snow and drink the resulting water. Number 10. Clothing on fire? Stay calm and remember this life-saving technique: stop, drop, and roll. It's simple but powerful. Cover your face with your hands, drop to the ground, and start rolling back and forth to smother the flames. Number 11. Heading out for a hike? Here's a tip to pack in your adventure arsenal. Always have a signaling mirror and whistle with you. When you're in need of rescue, these tools can be your lifeline. Use the mirror to reflect sunlight and create attention-grabbing flashes, while the high-pitched sound of the whistle can pierce through the wilderness, alerting potential rescuers to your location. Number 12. Stairs can be treacherous if we're not careful. So, when walking downstairs, keep those hands out of your pockets. It may seem insignificant, but having your hands ready to grab a railing or break a fall can make all the difference. Safety first. Number 13. Have you ever wondered about the safest seat on an airplane? Well, statistics have shown that sitting in the back of the plane increases your chances of survival in the unlikely event of a crash. So, next time you fly, consider choosing a seat in the back. Just a little tip for extra peace of mind. Number 14. Did you know that sanitary napkins can serve as emergency bandages for large wounds? Talk about a remarkable transformation. Originally developed for World War I, these absorbent heroes can help control bleeding until professional medical assistance arrives. It's a testament to human ingenuity, isn't it? Number 15. Imagine a kitchen nightmare, a cooking oil fire. Whatever you do, never use water to put it out. Water and oil don't mix, my friends. Instead, turn off the heat and cover the pot. This smart move will smother the flames, cutting off the oxygen supply and preventing the fire from spreading further. Number 16. Beware the magnifying power of sunlight passing through a bottle. Believe it or not, it can start a fire. So, let's keep those bottles away from windows and avoid leaving them in cars, where direct sunlight can transform them into potential fire starters. Number 17. In the event of a heart attack, just one little pill can make a big difference. Yes, I'm talking about aspirin. If you or someone you know experiences a heart attack, take immediate action. Lie down, put something under your head, or sit down and chew that aspirin for faster absorption. Time is of the essence when it comes to matters of the heart. Number 18. Last but not least, let's talk about those buzzing little creatures, bees and wasps. If you accidentally disturb a hive or nest, here's the golden rule: don't jump into water. Those pesky stingers will wait for you to resurface and continue their unwelcome assault. Instead, run like the wind. Create as much distance as possible, because eventually, they'll stop chasing you. And there you have it. Remember, it's not just about being prepared, it's about equipping yourself with the knowledge that could make all the difference when it matters most. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating ride, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more captivating content that will keep you informed, prepared, and ready to tackle any challenge that comes your way. Stay safe, stay curious, and until next time, keep thriving.